another day, another English lesson, whether or if. Hello. The words whether and if can be tricky because sometimes they seem to do the same job, but they have their own special roles too. Let's break it down together. Think of it like this. Whether is for choices and possibilities, while if is for conditions. 1. When you can use either. In many sentences, especially when we are talking about indirect questions, questions inside a statement, you can use whether or if. The meaning is the same. Direct question. Will it rain tomorrow? Indirect question. I wonder if it will rain tomorrow. Indirect question. I wonder whether it will rain tomorrow. More examples. She asked me if whether I liked pizza. I'm not sure if whether I locked the door. Can you tell me if whether the meeting is canceled? In these cases, whether sounds a little more formal, and if is more common in everyday conversation. But you can choose the one you like. 2. When only whether is possible. A. After prepositions, words like about, of, for, you can only use whether. Correct. We talked about whether we should move. Incorrect. We talked about if we should move. Correct. It depends on whether you have time. Incorrect. It depends on if you have time. B. Before an infinitive, to plus verb. When you have the structure whether plus to plus verb, you cannot use if. Correct. I can't decide whether to go or to stay. Incorrect. I can't decide if to go or to stay. 3. When only if is correct. Only use if for conditional sentences, sentences about a possibility that must happen first for something else to happen. Correct. If it rains, we will stay home. The condition for staying home is the rain. Incorrect. Whether it rains, we will stay home. This is wrong because it's not a choice between options, it's a condition. More examples. Please call me if you need help. If I had more time, I would learn another language. Note, however, that whether or not is possible in a different structure. Whether or not it rains, we'll go shopping. In this case, it does not describe a condition, but shows that the outcome is the same in either situation. Now watch and complete the sentences with whether or if. One, please tell me if you need help. 2, I want to buy a new game, but it depends on whether the store is open. 3, if it rains, we will stay inside. 4, she doesn't know whether or not the answer is correct. 5, if you don't hurry, you will be late. 6, he thought about whether he should agree with her. 7, the cat will run away if you speak loudly. 8, we must decide whether to leave now or later. 9, you will understand the lesson if you practice. 10, she asked whether she wanted tea or coffee. Thank Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT video lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.